In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to quickly fix blank white desktop shortcut icons in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your File Explorer. So tap on it here at the taskbar, or you can simply press Windows key and E key together. In that way, you'd be able to open this one. So here at the File Explorer, please proceed to the left pane. You can see there this PC. Click on this forward arrow key and you can see your C drive or local disk. So click on that one. Once you have opened your C drive or local disk, you need to navigate to the three dots here at the upper center screen. Find for options, click on that one. And under the folder options, you need to select for view and then check this show hidden files, folders, and drives. So click on apply and then click on OK. Once you have shown those hidden files, you need to navigate to users. Here at the users, you need to double tap to find for your user account. Just check it here at the start, click on it, and here you can see your current user account that is being currently logged in your Windows 11. So navigate on that, click on it, double tap, and the moment you've opened it, you'd be able to see a list of the option. Please proceed to app data, double tap again. And under the app data, you can see three file folders. Proceed to local, double tap, and under the local, find for icon cached, which is a database file. So we need to delete this. So press shift to delete key in your keyboard and then it will ask you to confirm. Click on yes. And once you have removed it here, click on the three dots, navigate to options, click on that one. And under the options, please proceed to view. Check this don't show hidden files. Then click on apply and then click on OK. Once done, close the window and then restart your computer. So navigate at the start and then proceed to your power menu options and click on restart. Once you've restarted it, your problem will be fixed. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.